What's up, people? We out here at the day off again. Dave's here with me. He brought the EG to do some work on it. Say what's up, Dave.
What up, YouTube?
You have a steering wheel that needs to be twisted around a good amount.
We're gonna make it straight today.
The wheels are straight right now and the steering wheel is clocked. So we just gotta disconnect it, put it back together, facing the right direction.
Just a heads up, if you guys ever need these screws, Home Depot don't have them, AutoZone don't have them, O'Reilly's don't got them. So I had to go to eBay and get them. I got the legit ones, $7. Came in 2 or 3 days. You got to go online to get them though, dude. Like, for real, you're not gonna find them in any fucking store. Don't even waste your time. So that's what's up.
Dave's got an old momo. Damn, what the fuck you do to that? I don't even want to know. So we gotta take that shit off. Dave has started working on it already and has some difficulty. So we're gonna use a Dremel to knock off, knock a little X in it. And so knock it out with a Phillips head, hopefully. So wish us luck. So these things are a bitch. We're able to yank it out though. We just had to use a flat cut with the Dremel. So Dave keeps going through these blades. They snap easy. So he's got 3 more to extract. 2 more? 3 more.
Yeah, 3 more. Just need to make 1 more notch.
2 more notch, 1 more notch here or there. I'll be pulling them out. Let's straighten this shit out. Oh, hold up, Dave. Dave's getting into his work right now. Literally making his cuts.
I got 2 good notches. The last one's shady, but let's try.
So you cut them all already?
Yeah, except for one at the end. It's kind of shady.
All right.
May need to be redone.
Here. You're recording me. Here's the one that I use to pull it out. Ooh, shorty.
Is it down there?
Yep. It's down there.
So look, this one is a little shady. It might need 1 more, but these 2 should be good for sure.
Yeah, this one's not nowhere near enough.
Okay, check the other 2.
Either, dude.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I put some good notches in there.
This one.
Alright, let me do it again then before you fuck with it. Let me get a little more.
Yeah, imagine you go a little deeper.
And I need to fix the steering wheel too to make it straight before you get it off anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. I don't want that whole issue again.
Yeah, I hear you.
Don't go back and forth, just go straight down into it. Put your whole ass into it before you twist. Oh man, dude.
Get one more story. Yeah.
Don't.
I think I got it good though. Maybe one of them might have to be redone. mean, the other ones seem not as good as these, and you got it out, so. Yeah. Looking, I'm breaking screws. Look at that muscle. See, he could break shit and he can re-break it when needed. So officially, I'm going to have to get a new center plate. I was trying to get around it and not get a new one because why the fuck should I? I mean, I like that one, but yeah, it didn't work. We had to cut through it.
You might be able to polish it down and grind it down right now, flat, so you can retain it.
Nah, I'll just get a new one. It's like 15 bucks. So I don't know if I should get another polished one like that or if I should get a black one. If you guys got any recommendations, let me know. Because I got to order this shit in like a couple days off eBay. So give me a heads up. Tell me what you guys think. I was thinking of going black, but if you guys like the billet metal look better, put it in the comments, please. By the way, this is a momo course steering wheel with the wrapped leather. I'm feeling what?
It's not gonna be able to mount to where you want it to.
I'll see. I don't see why it can't go on straight. It was on straight on the other car.
On the other car?
It's the same shit, dude. They're both Civics.
Was it on the other car though?
Yeah.
Okay.
They both have good alignment. It'll go on. It'll be fine. There's no reason why it wouldn't. It doesn't make sense. Alright, we'll come back to you guys. Let me see what's up right now. Maybe I can switch it the other way. That's straight now.
The other way is worse. Try it, bro.
Hey, Joe, to put this thing on here. I don't get it.
Take the whole hub off and move the hub. Take the big nut off.
That's what it is then, huh?
I don't know if it is or not. I don't understand why we can't just twist it. I mean, right now it looks as though you can turn it one full notch, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't know.
It literally only needs to turn like 10 degrees, and the problem is every switch is more like 30. So you're not going to be able to make that adjustment off of the top
I think
nuts.
it's the hub, like you said. I got to take that one off and then adjust it.
Yeah. The problem is the hub is set with a nut and a line on the nut, so there's only one way to fit that hub on. So let's try it, dude. It's not hard to fucking swap a steering wheel out, dude. It'll take us 30 seconds. We got a breaker bar, we got an impact gun, we don't even need to use a breaker bar. Trying to be a dick. Alright, so, long story.
We don't want to jinx ourselves.
We had to take the main hub off and then twist it over a little bit, and then we were able to put it back on, and then they put the wheel back on after that. So we were able to get it straightened out.
I think we're not confirming anything just yet.
It's confirmed.
Mr. Busby says that Mr. Fachet hasn't confirmed it.
The floor turned out nice. Yeah, you probably want to move that seat forward. I pushed it way back, I think. Watch that temperature gauge. If you need to pull over, you know? Watch your gas, too. Later, bro. Anytime, man. Well, I don't even know if that video is worth posting, but we had a little bit of shit to do with Dave's car. We were going to swap out the radiator fluid, but it didn't work out. So we just twisted up his steering wheel and made it look right. So not a whole lot done today, guys. But I'm actually going to go in the living room and kick it with my kid. He's playing some video games right now.
If I wasn't drinking, I would have told him something, dude.
And I hope you enjoyed. Remember, stay careful in the streets.